You should see me in a crowd.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking.
Good morning. It is 6:24. I woke up super early. I had a COVID test that I needed to do so I can go to class today. And I think I'm just gonna film a day of my life. I have a lot of stuff to do. Over the weekend, I planned out my spring break trip with my mom. I'm so excited. Hold on, I think you guys are crooked. Anyway, I planned out my spring break trip with my mom. I'm literally so excited. We're going to so many fun things, but we're road tripping, and our final destination is like Sedona. So that'll be super fun. I'm really excited. I'm up early because I'm forcing myself to get up early. I have been in quarantine for like 5 days, and I'm just praying that this test is negative. But anyway, so as long as it's negative, I'm going to go to class. I have class at 10:30, and then I have like a huge list of to-dos. Let's get her up. By the way, this is my favorite planner I've ever had, and I've had a lot. Banda just makes the cutest things. Let's see. Okay. I have class 10:30 to 11:45. And then I think I'm gonna walk over to Balanced, which is on campus at the whatever the Methodist like church thing is. I can't think of what it's called. And then I've got some retail math homework and some hospitality homework, and I need to turn in my new resume, and I have to make myself write this letter of recommendation. Hi Queens, this might be bumpy. I'm like in my neighborhood still, but basically I'm on the way to go get coffee. I tried to go for a walk, and it is 27 degrees with the little snow icon, so it's a no for me. Ooh. Hey girlies, what was that? I got a really bad drink. It's really good, but I shouldn't have gotten it. But over the weekend, I like didn't have coffee over the weekend, aka over the quarantine. Wait, did I tell you guys it's negative? Yeah. I didn't have coffee at all and like weaned myself off of caffeine, and I really want to try to drink way less caffeine. And so yeah, that's what I did. Like I said, I'm trying to get on a good sleep schedule. It was absolutely freezing. I went outside when like the sun wasn't even up, like it was just rising, like you guys saw. But yeah, I really should have gotten like something. I literally like freaked, and I was like, this is someone I follow I always get, so I'm gonna try it, and it actually is really good. But it probably has a lot of calories that I do not need. Let's look it up on WW. There goes my free points. Let's see. Pistachio latte. Oh, that's wonderful. It says it's 7 points. Not really sure. I'm just gonna track that and hope for the best. I'm out of my Premier Protein. I really need to go to CVS and get that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's 7:50 now. I feel so productive. I'm about halfway done with my reading I have to do. And I think I'm gonna fix something to eat because I'm starving. I don't know what I want though. Anyway, so yeah, definitely recommend waking up at 6 in the morning. And I'm so glad I forced myself to get out of bed because I got up and I was like, I can sleep until 7. But anyway, happy morning, queens. I should probably make some lunch too to take with me. Or I could order something from Ranchers and just take it with me to the little coffee spot. I think I might do that. So I'm doing that. Oh, or I could go to Chick-fil-A. Oh, you know what? I might go to Chick-fil-A because I have a free thing. Or maybe I'll do that for dinner. I don't know. I think I might have dining dollars left over. Let's go see. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. A very exciting update. I have $25 on my card. So we're gonna order, and I just wanted, I turned it back on just for a second to tell you guys about this. Basically, if you have never heard of Oklahoma State and you've never been, the best thing in the world is that, sorry, my laptop's like psychotic. The best thing in the world is that there's a steakhouse on campus that you can use your dining dollars for. Absolute saving grace. I love it so much. It's so delicious. Anyway, so I'm gonna order my favorite salad from there and we'll pick it up around 11:30. And yeah, anyways, let's go.
Later in my day, I've seen Wicked several times, but never on Broadway.
You guys, I don't know what to do. I do know what to do. I need to make a couple milli times 10 so I can live half in New York and half in a sunny place. Okay, sorry, it looked like it was about to explode. I made oatmeal. I don't have any cups, so it's really hard to measure. And for some reason my stovetop isn't working. So that's awesome. So I'm going, I looked up a recipe on how to cook them in the oven, my eggs in the oven. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just have 4 eggs. Then I put the leftover bell pepper to cook while it's in there. I have an hour and a half before I have to be at school, so I'm gonna charge you guys and I'll show you guys the rest of my food and how it turns out in a little bit. On a little breakfast. Yes, love that. It's literally so cold. I'm so cold. I just want to go and get in bed. And I'm so sorry I did not film anything at the coffee shop. Oh my god. It's so cold. Why? Hi. I look hit. Like it literally is. Wait. I don't even remember that. That was a slang term from 2016 or 2017. And I still don't honestly know what it means. Yeah, anyway, so we're gonna move on. Oops. Sorry about the background, but I'm so excited. This Brandy and Me, and this is the Ultimate Rich Mom package. It's this like natural cleaning brand, which I'm all for. I try to use their more natural products, like from Target and stuff like that, but I just don't always use them because I haven't really found a brand that has like good quality. Cleaning and also good for the environment. Okay. so excited. Okay, let's get into it. They sent me a lot of goodies. This is natural floor cleaner. Oh, I never got it out. The brand is Koala Eco, and they sell an Air one. That's why it's the ultimate rich mom PR. How cute. I'm so excited. This is the natural hand wash. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's eucalyptus and rosemary. This is, oh, you put this and wash your fruit and veggies with it, which I'm really excited because I always get nervous eating my fruit and veggies. I'm like, oh, that smells good too. Oh, it's a mandarin. I'm always nervous they're not like clean enough. I'm gonna eat like the pesticides. This is natural dish soap, lemon and mandarin. Ooh, this smells like straight up a mandarin. Like I'm eating a little, one of those little baby ones. Anyway, this is just a multi-purpose cleaner, which is what, I have one of these. It's not this brand, but it's from Target and I use it all the time. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And then they also sent me this little brush that has their logo. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try. I gotta put all of this back in so I can do an unboxing for TikTok. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, what I was trying to say earlier is I just had this whole fiasco go down with study abroad. I didn't know you had to apply through the school for like certain reasons, and so I've been applying directly through the company, and I'd emailed like 3 or 4 different people and nobody was helping. And finally the lady emailed back and she said that hopefully she'll get it done by the 1st. So knock on some wood, everything goes smoothly, because the reason like I need to go ahead and get it done as soon as possible is because you don't want to have to expedite the process of your visa, because it can add on charges. Anyway, that's what I thought these were. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've owned one pair of Hokas and they did not fit right, so I made sure that these ran the right size, and this like particular model does. LOL. This is what they look like. They are the Match 4 MACH. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So we're gonna try it on my ankle first, my bad ankle first, and see if they fit. I hope they do. It's been such a struggle to get new tennis shoes. This is the exact reason I always get tennis shoes in person. But hopefully these can suffice as my rich mom shoes. Yeah. This feels so much better. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try them on and get back to my work. But basically that's what I've been doing. Kind of taking a break, letting my iPad charge, or my MacBook charge. And then I'm going to read like a chapter of my book and then get back to it, because we do not have time to waste today. And I think that's it. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Those are really about reviewing the store data or information. So those are what we're going to focus on this acquisition allocation class. But please note that there are...
Alright guys, I'm in my last basically 20 minutes.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so